Skycatch is in the business of extracting meaningful data out of the real world.
What Skycatch builds is systems to enable high accuracy and high resolution 3D captures of job sites. The edge is actually what makes our system really unique. What the edge is essentially a small but very powerful computer embedded in this box.
The processing happens right there on that machine, but it goes beyond that. It's a communication hub, so it can connect to your drone, to the cloud, to wireless devices, and so on and so forth.
We realized we had this problem. It was actually a good problem because we received an order for 1,000 of these systems, which means that sometime in the future we would be delivering 1,000 times 2 units. So we needed a way to manage the software versioning, any diagnostics, debugging.
We went down the road of looking at manipulating Linux ourselves, but eventually, through dialogue with Balena, we came to the conclusion this is the right platform for us. It enabled us to not go through that build process. We're of the belief that if it exists out there, we don't necessarily have to build it ourselves, and that this was a core component of our staff.
What stood out was how quickly we were able to bring devices up and online. For us, the process was flash the balena image onto a micro SD, put it in the device, power it on, and it's ready to go. So bringing up hundreds of devices is now super easy to do. So the Edge one is unique. It's the only smart GNSS base station out there that also has computer vision processing capabilities. So what that enables our customers to do is process all the data that was collected right there in the field. Both of these devices are running Balena OS, and we deploy our applications to the devices via Balena. What that allows us to do is, focus on developing the software inside and not worry about having to manage a fleet of thousands of devices around the world.
I think the real value of Balena comes when you're basically pushing out a new version of your product. One of the huge things is just so easily being able to log into the Balena dashboard, be able to see the device there, be able to see what the logs are doing. And that really impresses our customers when we basically say, I have a problem, and then like 10 minutes later, you're like, let me take a look, and then you're, okay, go ahead and try it again. And then all of a sudden they're just like, oh wow, you fixed it just like that, that's phenomenal. And so that's really great for us. Without Balena, I wouldn't be able to utilize all of our really talented web and Node.js engineers. These people are not people who really work with embedded devices, but because Balena makes it so simple to basically deploy applications, all these people can basically help us build an embedded product.
It enables us to write software fast and not worry about the underlying mechanism of push, pull, or the ability to troubleshoot. It hits a number of different shops, including our development cycle, our maintenance, our customer support, as well as sales, really, to kind of be able to push all of this out in record time.